This is Kamakshi Yogesh from Angel Paradise School, 10th standard, your SS teacher. Lesson number 1, Heritage of India. Heritage of India. भारत की इंडिया की परंपरा. India is a land of ancient culture. Ancient Indian scripture, Vishnu Puran states, उत्तर यत् समुद्रस्य हिमाद्रश्चैव दक्षिणं वर्षदत् भारतनां भारती यंत्र संसति. It means India extends from the Himalayas in the north to the Indian Ocean in the south. From the Himalayas in the north and Indian Ocean in the south. From north to south, starting place is Himalayas and the ending place Indian Ocean. For that it is said that new descents are called Indians. So अपना इंडियंस को नवी संतान कहला जाता है. In the beginning of any auspicious ceremony means favorable religious events. Bharatvarsha, Bharatkhand, Jambudvip and Aryavarta etc. are words used while taking resolution. Our country is gifted with natural boundaries, Himalaya in the north and sea in the east, west and south. From all over the world, different countries mesmerized by the Indian prosperity and came to trade, settled and mingled with Indian culture. Due to the mutual exchange, many changes have been seen in our culture. In this way, our heritage is transferred from generation to generation and continuously progressing. That is, our India extends from the Himalayas in the north and Indian Ocean in the south. So, अपना इंडियंस को भारत की संतान बुलाया जाता है. Starting time of ancient favorable religious events were conducted in Bharatvarsha, Bharatkhand, Jambudvip and Aryavarta etc. Jambudvip means Jambul, मानी Indian blackberry बोलते. Jambudvip means Indian blackberry. They are all taking wild resolutions. Our country is gifted with natural boundaries. अपना भारत country boundaries, natural boundaries are covered, starting place from Himalayas in the north and seas in east, west and south, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. So all over the world attracted by our Indian prosperity, so they came to India, settled India and mingled. Mingled means they took away our wealth with their to another country. For that our Indian culture spread all over the world. Due to the mutual exchange, so many exchanges have been seen in our culture, because all over the world people come and live in the country. Our country's culture also spread all over the world. So our heritage is transferred from generation to generation. Bharatvarsha, Bharatkhand, Jambudvip and Aryavarta. Find out the meanings and write it in your notebook. So, our natural boundaries are Himalayas in the north, seas in the east, west and south. India's location and area we already learned about in last year 9th standard. Our present area and location of India. India stands 7th rank in area wise and 2nd place in population wise. Rich and varied heritage. Our heritage. Our motherland has bestowed means gives rich and varied heritage to us. So our Indian culture have been oriented peace loving. Our Indian culture have been oriented peace loving. तो अपना इंडिया के अंदर शांत, Sat, Sat, Chit and Anand. Sat, Chit and Anand are realized from Indian culture. Yes, Sat means true. Chit, awareness. Chit means awareness, consciousness. आनंद मीन्स संतोष. इस तीनों तीन अपना भारत कलाचार के अंदर, संस्कृति के अंदर हम माना जाता है. Besides, this Indian culture prospered with the mutual exchange of different cultures and other cultures of other countries which came to India and settled here. They have accepted the values of non-violence and peace, which have been adopted and admired by the world. They have accepted. So Indian culture prospered with mutual exchange with another countries. We exchange our culture, and so many people settled here also, and moreover than another country also. So all over the world people accepted in our India as a non-violence and peace. India has non-violence and peace motivation, so they are adapted and admired by the world. People from the beginning of Indus Valley civilization till today have made our country rich and wealthy with their intellectual ability, talent and skill. So Indus Valley civilization people till today, up to date till today, they have made our country very rich and wealthy because they have an own intellectual power, ability, talent and skill. Innumerable scholars, so many scholars, thinkers, thoughters, artisans, sages, saints, scientists and historians have been contributed to growth and development of our culture. So from the Indus Valley civilization, people migrate in our country. They have made our country rich and wealthy with their own intellectual power, ability and their talent and skill. That's why innumerable number of scholars, thinkers, artists, artisans, sages, saints, scientists and historians have contributed to the growth and development of our culture. Culture is sum of habits, values, customs, traditions and conduct of lifestyle of human. Culture teach us our value of life and our customs, teach us the traditions and how to conduct our lifestyle in our life with a proper stage. Then meaning of culture. Culture means a way of life and it made the changes that occurs in public life. Yes, we made changes in our own life, in public life, social rules and regulations of different societies. And it is also can be said that culture is total of habits, values, customs, traditions and ideal leading humans to the highest level. So we can learn from the culture how to lead our life in a highest level in the society. Cultural heritage of India. Heritage means, you know about parampara. Heritage means a valuable gift from our forefathers to us. Forefathers means Purvaja, the founder of the family. Indian history is thousands of years old. We say in school pledge, I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. Yes, we love our country and we are very proud of its rich and our varied heritage. So heritage is a precious gift that was given by our forefathers from our motherland to the whole world. Not only in our India, all over the world people also accept our heritage, cultural heritage. They also attracted our prosperity and wealth of our India. And our heritage is divided into two divisions, that are natural heritage of India and cultural heritage of India. Natural heritage of India. Natural heritage of India means the result of close relationship between nature. Yes, with man and nature. Man get close relation to nature, environment and human life is natural heritage. Yes, अपना ज़िंदगी नेचर के साथ, एनवायरनमेंट के साथ और ह्यूमन लाइफ के साथ मिलजुल के अपना कुदरती का परंपरा सिखाता है. Natural heritage of India is unique and varied. It includes features like mountains, forest, desert, rivers, streams, seas, trees, plants, creepers, flowers, leaves and insects, and varied landscapes, wide range of minerals. It's very important, wide range of mineral, vegetation, plants and animals, all together known as natural heritage of India. So we are the children of nature. We are the children of nature. So it has made a beautiful arrangement. Without nature, there is no more food, water, fresh air, and dwelling to cater our all needs. So nature is very important. We treat nature, so we can conserve our nature with respect and faith. So the examples of our close relation with nature or stories of Panchatantra and Jataka tales. So our close relationship with nature are given in Panchatantra and Jataka tales of Buddhist religion. Our classical and folk music and several ragas are also based on the prahar. Prahar means period of a day. Similarly, Ayurveda, Unani and nature cure are also totally based on nature. So these are the medicinal tricks. Ayurveda, Unani and natural cure are also totally based on nature. Now we move to the paragraph. The natural heritage of India. Natural heritage of India leads us close relationship with nature, environment and human life is a natural heritage. अपना कुदरती का परंपरा सिखाता है. Natural heritage is unique and varied. It's also unique with different variety. And it includes the features like our natural heritage includes in mountain, forest, desert, rivers, streams, seas, trees, plants, creepers, flowers, leaves, insects and varied landscapes, wild ranges, minerals and vegetations, plants and animals. So this is the natural heritage features. Then we do not live without food, so food is totally belongs to the natural vegetation. So a beautiful arrangement for our food, water, fresh and dwelling to cater our all needs, it stays from the nature. Then our close relationships are told in the stories of Panchatantra and Jataka tales of Buddhist religion. Then our classical and folk music, several ragas are also based on the prahar, period of a particular day. Then medicinal tricks, Ayurveda, Unani and nature cure are also based on nature. Now landscape. Beautiful landscapes are generally formed due to different shapes of land. Our India has a beautiful landscape and different shapes. Himalaya is a landscape. You know about that. It has endured Indians abundantly with useful vegetation. So our Indians use the nature and landscape with useful vegetations and minerals, strange birds, animals and mountain peaks covered with snow, brimming rivers. Brimming rivers means rivers completely filled with water, that there is all over the year. For example, Ganga, all over the year water is filled with river, or the gift of Himalayas. So the starting place of the rivers in the Himalayas is a natural gift. Forest of Terai and its pilgrimage places. Pilgrimage means तीर्थ यात्रा करने का स्थान. Places like Amarnath, Badrinath, Kedarnath and Sumit, like Nanda Devi, or in Himalayas. So ancient time, पुराना समय से, ऐतिहासिक समय से हिमालय हैज़ अ ग्रेटर इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर इंडिया. उस हिमालय को महत्वपूर्ण स्थान पे रखा गया है. देन सो नोट डाउन द पिलग्रिमेज प्लेसेस. Amarnath, Badrinath, Kedarnath and Sumit in the Himalayas. Then rivers. Rivers have been providing natural ways since ancient times. So river is very important in our life. So our Indian culture has also flourished on the river bank of the Indus Valley. Indus and rivers, the two rivers are the important river banks our civilization started. The rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna and the Saraswati, the Indus, the Narmada and the Godavari and Krishna, etc. So the important rivers are Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Indus, Narmada, Godavari and Krishna.